Are you looking to migrate your BI from Tableau to Qlik Sense? This migration is not just about moving visuals, it is about moving your entire BI ecosystem into a completely new environment. This migration journey involves translating all the Tableau backend elements into Qlik's backend and carrying the same Tableau's visual elements into Qlik's frontend as it is. Manually migrating each report can be highly tedious for your BI teams. Imagine automating this entire process of BI migration. Let us migrate this sample Tableau dashboard with multiple visuals and multiple dashboards using our Port BI in real time. Once inside the Port BI application, we need to select our destination BI, which is Qlik Sense in this case. Give a name for the migration project and select the source BI as Tableau. Port BI supports us to choose among 3 different BI types for migration. For now, let us upload a locally saved Tableau workbook for this migration project. And then, we need to configure our destination BI with the required Qlik Sense details. With that, we can save and proceed for the migration. Port BI then auto-retrieves the metadata from your original Tableau workbook. We can then proceed further by giving our consent to store the required information essential for the migration. We then get a Portability Assessment score and the choice to silently migrate the workbook or customize the migration. Here we can review the migration details at item level and customize the migration. Here we need to map these Tableau connections to their respective Qlik connections. We can use the Smart Fill feature to assign relationships between tables. Review the sheet details and customize if required. Here, we can edit the unnamed dimensions, measures, and parameters directly. We can also do the theme and layout customization if desired. In this page, we can have a preview of all the tables and their relationships that we can customize. The Tableau workbook is now migrated and ready to be published to Qlik Sense. By clicking the Proceed to Publish button, our Tableau workbook will be migrated to Qlik Sense. Let us refresh our Qlik Sense hub once to get the migrated report on the home screen. Let us open the migrated file and experience the results ourselves. See the results, every dashboard, every visual, perfectly replicated with ease. Here's the side-by-side comparison, the original Tableau workbook on the left and the Qlik Sense file migrated through Port BI on the right.